Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. The Galaxy wearable app is paired to your watch 4, the watch has at least 20% battery, and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection. Once done, open Galaxy wearable and tap your watch for entry. Make sure the app shows device status. This ensures settings sync. Now, navigate to the watch settings shortcut inside the app so you can change the device mode. This prepares you to disable watch only without interruptions. You'll switch off watch only by selecting the proper mode. From the wearable app or directly on the watch, open Settings, then Device Info or Battery, and find Watch Mode or Emergency Mode. Tap the active mode and choose Normal or Full functionality. Confirm the change. The watch may prompt a restart to re-enable phone connectivity and notifications. Make sure you accept any confirmation prompts on both devices, so the watch exits limited mode and restores full features. Finish by verifying that notifications, calls, and apps return to the watch. Open a couple of apps to confirm network access. If functionality remains limited, reboot the watch and your phone, then repair via the Galaxy wearable app. If problems persist, reset Bluetooth settings or clear app cache. Only use a factory reset as a last resort because it erases data. One key troubleshooting tip: recheck software versions and update both devices before a reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.